Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable Spotify lossless quality. So, lossless audio provides much higher sound quality, offering details close to CD or studio level clarity. It will use more data and storage since lossless files are significantly larger. So let's get started. Open up your Spotify application in your mobile device. And inside here, you need to go and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, you have to make sure you have Spotify Premium since lossless quality is only available for premium users. After that, simply tap on your profile icon, tap on settings and privacy. Just like that, inside here, tap on media quality. And now scroll down until you see lossless. Simply tap onto it and then toggle it on to enable lossless audio quality. And that's it. You have now turned on Spotify lossless, which means your music will sound much clearer and richer, but keep in mind it will use more data because of the higher quality. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.